Oh my god. My bae just caught a bird. Noelle, help me tell this story. Oh my god.
I don't even like. How did it even happen? He just saw something out the window, and then he was like, "Okay, I'm gonna go get a flashlight." And it was a bird.
Hey, tell him what you did to catch this bird.
Picked it up.
Oh my god, now it doesn't even want to let go of you.
I know.
That's so funny.
Oh my god. It's like turning away. It's like turning away from me. It's in the corner now, looking away from me.
Aww. Hug
I feel so guilty.
it.
I
Pet
can't hug the
it.
little bird.
Aw, that birdie.
So I went to pet it like you told me to, right?
Yeah.
Latched onto my finger again.
Aww.
I really want to meet this bird.
I'm a bird whisperer.
I get to see it at 8 o'clock tomorrow. I'll take pictures.
Yay!
I feel so guilty.
Why?
I don't want to let it sleep alone.
Aww.
I guess you have to stay up all night.
Shoot. Not that guilty.
Meanie.
Come here, little birdie. Oh my god, now it's staring at me like, no, you put me off your finger. You're a jerk. Oh, hey, what time is it?
It's 12:08. You better hurry up and go to bed.
Alright, well, I've got it. Just in case it rains, I'm gonna put a cushion over the top.
No,
Just
you have to
in
put
case
it
rain
in your
comes
room.
up this.
Yeah, but then,
Yeah,
like,
right.
he has a dog that, like, if it falls off the bed, because he has a bunk bed thingy, it could fall off.
Mm.
And
Poor bird.
the dog could eat it. And I'll be so sad.
I feel so guilty right now. I'm not even gonna look at it when I walk in. Babe, that's not helping. It makes me feel so bad.
You're being a meanie.
I'm gonna see if I can get him to eat some of his kiwi before I go to bed.
Sit, put it on the thing. Wait, did you clean up the cage yet?
Well, babe, I'm putting it in the little cage tonight. Come here, buddy. Eat your kiwi. Pretend I'm your mommy. I'm not gonna spit it in your mouth, but this is the best you're gonna get. Eat, birdie. Come here. I feel so bad.
I want the birdie. I'll fight you over this bird.
This bird loves me. This bird would fight you over me.
This bird is gonna love me.
Well, who saved its life?
Me? Because I told you to put it in the cage.
Who's Chef Boyard Josh?
Not you.
Oh, roasted.
This kiwi is beautifully prepared. And it has a beautiful presentation on a paper plate.
Oh my god, what's your grandma saying?
She didn't say anything. She's just like, it's not gonna work. I'm like, hey, let me rescue the animal. Google doesn't lie. Good night, little birdie.
Oh my god, it's gonna be so mad at you right now.
I know. Hey, babe, do you want me to get on Messenger call?
No, not right now.
But I'm about to go get in bed, babe.
I'm still recording.
Let's go ahead and do it.
Thank
Oh, you are?
for